Stop right there. Are you thinking about buying a car in 2026 and still considering a used vehicle? Wait a second, because what I'm about to tell you will change your mind completely. The car market in 2026 is unlike anything we've seen before, and if you're serious about getting value for your money, safety, and modern features, new Daihatsu cars are the way to go. Picture this, brand new 2026 Daihatsu models, starting at just around 100 million Rupiah, fully loaded with the latest technology, fuel-efficient engines, and cutting-edge safety systems. Why risk buying a used car from 2025 or earlier, when in 2026 you can get a car that's fully optimized for modern driving, traffic conditions, and even future tech integration? Let me break it down for you. Used cars might seem cheaper at first glance, but here's the truth: the cost of maintenance, repairs, and hidden problems can quickly outweigh any initial savings. An engine that's a year or two old may already be losing efficiency. Brakes, transmissions, and suspension systems can fail unexpectedly, costing you tens of millions of Rupiah in repairs. Fuel consumption is often higher in older models, and the safety features, forget about it. Many used cars don't have advanced airbags, stability control, lane assist, or collision warning systems that are becoming standard in 2026. Buying a used car is essentially gambling with your money, your time, and your safety. Now, let's talk about 2026 Daihatsu models. The new lineup is absolutely stunning, combining affordability with cutting-edge technology. Prices start around 100 million Rupiah, which is incredibly reasonable for a brand new car. You get engines that are optimized for 2026 fuel standards, meaning better mileage and lower emissions. Safety is a top priority. Multiple airbags, ABS, stability control, collision warning, and even smart braking assistance are now standard in most 2026 models. The infotainment systems have been completely upgraded with larger touchscreens, smartphone connectivity, voice commands, and navigation features that make city and highway driving effortless. Interior design has been enhanced with ergonomically optimized seats, climate control, and noise reduction to make driving smoother and more comfortable than ever. Imagine this: you buy a used car from 2025 for roughly the same price as a new 2026 Daihatsu. At first, it looks fine, but within months, maintenance issues begin to appear. The engine may lose efficiency, the suspension may start creaking, brakes might need replacement, and all of this comes at an additional cost of tens of millions of Rupiah. Meanwhile, a brand new 2026 Daihatsu for around 100 million Rupiah gives you full warranty coverage, low maintenance, modern tech, fuel efficiency, and peace of mind that a used car simply cannot provide. The difference is night and day. Let's get into features that make the 2026 Daihatsu lineup extraordinary. The engines are designed to meet new emission standards while delivering maximum fuel efficiency and smooth performance. Safety features now include adaptive braking, multiple airbags, ABS, stability control, and smart collision warning systems that actively protect the driver and passengers. The infotainment system is next level. Touchscreen displays, smartphone integration, Bluetooth, navigation, and even voice-controlled commands. Interiors are comfortable with adjustable seats, noise reduction, and climate control. Every detail is carefully designed to make every drive enjoyable, safe, and stress-free. When you compare costs, it's clear why buying new in 2026 is smarter. A used car may appear cheaper upfront, but monthly repairs, maintenance, and fuel inefficiency quickly add up. A new Daihatsu costs slightly more initially, but with low maintenance, high fuel efficiency, and modern features, your total cost of ownership is far lower. Add in the fact that Daihatsu retains strong resale value, and the 2026 models become an investment rather than just a purchase. Well, let's talk about real-life scenarios. Imagine two friends, one buys a used 2025 car, the other buys a new 2026 Daihatsu. Within months, the used car starts showing engine problems, brakes wear down faster than expected, and unexpected repairs begin stacking up. Meanwhile, the 2026 Daihatsu owner enjoys smooth driving, fuel efficiency, full warranty coverage, and all the latest features. Who made the smarter choice? Obviously, the 2026 Daihatsu owner. And this is exactly why more people in Indonesia and Southeast Asia are choosing new cars in 2026 over used vehicles from previous years. The 2026 Daihatsu lineup is not just about reliability, it's about style, technology, and experience. Exterior design is modern and sleek. Interiors are luxurious for the price, and driving dynamics are improved for urban and highway conditions. You're not just getting a car, you're getting a full driving experience. And let's not forget about future-proofing. In 2026, cars are expected to be compatible with upcoming tech updates, app integrations, and smarter driving features. A used car from 2024 or 2025 may already lack compatibility, leaving you behind the curve. Fuel efficiency in the 2026 Daihatsu models is optimized for both city and highway driving. This means you'll save money every month at the pump, something a used car simply cannot match. Modern engines also reduce emissions, contributing to a cleaner environment, a feature increasingly appreciated in 2026 car buyers' communities. The technology package includes touchscreen infotainment, navigation, voice commands, smartphone connectivity, Bluetooth, and more, making every drive safer, smoother, and more enjoyable. Interiors are comfortable, seats are ergonomically designed, noise is reduced, and climate control keeps every passenger happy. Safety cannot be overstated. In 2026, Daihatsu has made airbags, ABS, stability control, collision detection, and smart braking standard in most models. Buying a used car from previous years may lack these critical safety features, putting your life and your passengers at risk. In comparison, a new 2026 Daihatsu gives you confidence, reliability, and advanced protection that older vehicles cannot match. Let's break it down further. Cost-wise, a used 2025 car might be slightly cheaper upfront, but repairs, fuel inefficiency, and hidden maintenance quickly eat away at any savings. A new 2026 Daihatsu may cost a little more initially, but low maintenance, fuel efficiency, warranty coverage, and modern features make the overall cost significantly lower. You're also getting peace of mind and modern styling, making it an unbeatable package. Think about the experience of driving a new 2026 Daihatsu versus a used vehicle. The smoothness, the comfort, the technology, and the modern design make every trip enjoyable. No rattling noises, no unexpected repairs, no old technology. Just smooth, reliable, efficient, and fun driving. In 2026, cars are more than transportation, they are a full experience. And the 2026 Daihatsu lineup delivers exactly that. So, if you're planning to buy a car in 2026, here's my advice. Don't waste your money on used vehicles from previous years. Go for a new Daihatsu. With prices starting around 100 million Rupiah, you get a car that's reliable, fuel-efficient, fully loaded with modern tech, and backed by a manufacturer warranty. You're not just buying a car, you're investing in safety, comfort, and a future-proof driving experience. Remember, in 2026, the car market is changing. Buyers are more informed, technology is evolving, and safety standards are higher than ever. A used car from 2025 or earlier might look like a bargain, but in reality, it's a risk. A new 2026 Daihatsu gives you peace of mind, cost savings, advanced technology, and a premium driving experience all in one affordable package. So don't wait, don't gamble with used cars. Visit your nearest Daihatsu showroom, check out the 2026 lineup, take a test drive, and see the difference yourself. This is your chance to make a smart investment, enjoy modern technology, and drive safely with confidence. The 2026 Daihatsu is affordable, reliable, stylish, and packed with features. The choice is clear. Don't buy used, choose new. Choose 2026 Daihatsu. Your wallet, your safety, and your driving experience will thank you.